Hello South Africa, my name is kaKhuzani, the biggest Maskandi artist in the world. I just want to say Happy New Year, Happy 2024. And I also want to congratulate myself for being a Song of the Year winner with the song Umjololoyo featuring Luve, and also thank all people who voted me. Thank you for the support, guys. And ngiyabonga kakhulu ngezitha zami ukuba nesitha, guys. Kufuna nazi ukuthi uba nesitha kumnandi, ukuba nesitha kwenza ukuthi ngasonke isikhathi ukhumbule ukuthi kumele uhlezi strong. Ngoba bangenasitha uyarelaxa, uyitshela ukuthi yonke into right, but uma unomuntu ozohlezi ekukhumbuza ukuthi kumele usebenze kanzima, ekukhumbuze abantu abasenza sibe strong, kube kuthiwa sasingenazo izitha ngaba sinakho konke lokho esinakho njengamanje. So I just want to say thank you to the haters, guys, all the people. Okay, I'm coming, sir. All the people who decampaigned me, I thank you very much. All the people who abangikhombisile ukuthi thank you, guys, and I won't hate you back. I'm going to because I do understand ukuthi mina abantu bane right ukuthi beshinda bayithandayo, especially abebe ngangithuki abebe campaignelela ukuthi kuwina abaculi baba abathandayo ukuthi bewine. So ngiyabathanda labo bantu because abantu abazi itori zabo. Bese ngithi kulabo abangizondayo abakude le abapostayo bengithuke, abavele beposta bengithuke, labo bantu labo ngifisa ukuveza ukuthi angibazondi because abantu abakude abayona ingozi. Umuntu oyingozi umuntu oseduze kwakho, but umuntu ongeyona okude kunawe akayona ingozi because umuntu ongeke aza kumake. Umuntu oyingozi umuntu odlala naye groundini ozoza kuwena athatha ibhola kuwena, but umuntu okuzonda nje ele kude ongeke athatha ibhola kuwena, I don't think kumele lo muntu respond even akuyena because lo muntu akayona ingozi kuwena. He won't even take away the ball from you, so you still have your ball. It's just because yena uyamemeza nje la memeza khona and ngeke uaffecte ngalutho. Uyacabanga ukuthi egroundini kusekunehlwele lapha phezulu kuma grandstand and zithuka abadlali and abadlali abezwa and uyamthuka akafuni akore and he won't even take the ball kuyena uamvimba ukuthi angakore just ukuthi uyamthuka nje because ulapha. So babekiwe abantu abanjalo empilweni ukuthi they will be there just to insult you and criticize you, but the only thing uNkulunkulu ayenzile ukuthi he did not give them the power to take the ball away from you. So whoever who hates you, whoever okhombisa ukuthi akakuthandi, uma engeke eduze kwakho akayona ingozi ngoba ngeke azakwazi ukuthatha ibhola away from you. So guys, just relax and ungazonda abantu umuntu uma ekuthuka elekude is like ihlwele wena usegroundini, uyakuthuka ule kuma grandstand ihlwele usegroundini, thatha as if awumuzwa lo muntu lo because anyone can say anything abayithandayo. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you. I won, guys, and nginomlando manje nguphethe. Now I'm the legend because I won the Song of the Year 2 times, like 2 times, really 2 times, and I don't think in the near future we sizoba naye umuntu eSouth Africa uThomas Maskandi ozowina iSong of the Year.